Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I made this light bottle using my little lightsaber project for M5StickC S3, and I will also show you how I made this full-size lightsaber using M5Stack Cardputer Advance. So stay tuned. Hello fellow makers, here is another very not useful project, but very fun for all Star Wars geeks. This can be great keychain or pocket project. So this is basically tiny lightsaber on M5Stick S3. This is new version of M5Stick, and when we compare it to old one, it looks much better. And now we have a real speaker inside. So as you can see, it produces those lightsaber sounds and it reacts on my movement. It is very basic. With this button I can turn on and turn off my lightsaber, and here I can change colors with this side button. So we have basic colors. This is purple, and yellow. So red, blue, green, purple and yellow. But I also got idea to combine this project with this RGB LED module with 37 RGBs. So when I connect it here, oh, too bright, I can also make some cool effects, like I hope you liked my Star Wars light bottle. With few zip ties and few rubber, I was able to connect this RGB module to, it is cheap RGB module, also made by M5Stack. I was able to connect it directly to my bottle to achieve some cool effects. But I know what are you thinking now. This small battery will be drained very fast using this. And it is true. This needs lots of power, and I reduced the brightness of it, and I reduced power consumption of ESP32 and speaker, but still you will get with this max 10 or 15 minutes. So I decided to make another version with a larger device with big battery, which is of course Cardputer Advance. And this is version for Cardputer Advance. I will share code for both versions, and I will probably upload those firmwares on a M5 burner. So only difference here is that you use this button, this OK button, to turn lightsaber on, and with those arrows you can change color of lightsaber. And of course, instead using this module, it will also work with this RGB module. It will work with any M5Stack RGB strip or LED module. But instead of this, I use this long RGB LED strip with 120 LEDs, and it was 2 meters long, so maybe too long, but you can use 1 meter or shorter LED strip. Cardputer Advance have a large built-in battery, so it will give you plenty of fun. If you want to build this for you or for your kids, I will put links for both projects and all RGB strips and modules. Feel free to also check my other videos on my channel and to subscribe. I will also share original code for Arduino IDE. But if you don't want to mess with code, I also posted firmwares on M5 Burner. That is software from M5Stack, which let you easily install examples from M5Stack and examples from whole community. So here is my example for M5StickC S3. You just need to download and click burn. And if I choose Cardputer, it is probably here. So here you can find my BOTTLESABER. For Cardputer you can find many interesting firmware, so you can check them easily. Some of them are for hackings, cameras, games, Winamp. This is my user interface, and clocks. Many cool examples, and you can easily install them all. That's it. I hope this was a fun video for you. Please write something in comments. Do you like Star Wars? Is this too childish for my channel? I hope not. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.